If you run a SaaS startup, getting your subscription billing right is just as important as building your product. You need to bill customers smoothly, manage recurring revenue, and stay compliant while scaling fast. Chargebee is known for being the complete subscription management platform. It handles billing, invoicing, taxes, and revenue reporting all in one place. For SaaS startups, that means you can automate nearly every part of your recurring revenue model from day one. The setup process is guided and user-friendly, with dashboards that clearly show monthly recurring revenue, churn, and subscriber activity. Chargebee is built for growth. It works just as well for a small startup as it does for a scale-up with thousands of customers. Chargebee also takes care of compliance and accounting. It supports automated tax calculations, invoicing that meets global tax standards, and tools for revenue recognition under accounting standards like ASC 606. That is a big deal for SaaS companies preparing for growth or investment. It even connects with accounting systems like QuickBooks and Xero to sync financial data automatically. Beyond billing, Chargebee helps with retention. It offers built-in tools for dunning management, meaning it automatically retries failed payments and reminds customers to update their cards. It also supports checkout customization and self-service portals, letting customers manage their own subscriptions. This saves your support team time while improving the user experience. Now let's talk about Recurly. Recurly was built with simplicity and speed in mind. It is designed for SaaS teams that want to launch quickly, manage subscriptions efficiently, and reduce churn with minimal complexity. The platform has a clean interface and focuses on making billing automation straightforward. You can create pricing plans, discounts, and trials easily, and the system automatically manages renewals and invoices. Recurly shines in payment optimization. It has a powerful dunning system that intelligently retries failed charges at the best possible times. This feature alone can recover a surprising amount of revenue that might otherwise be lost to expired or declined cards. It also provides real-time analytics on recurring revenue, churn rate, and lifetime value, giving startups actionable insight into growth performance. Recurly's strength is in reliability and scalability. Many growing SaaS companies use it because it stays stable even as transaction volume increases. Its API is well documented and easy to work with, allowing developers to embed subscription flows directly into web or mobile apps. It might not have as many built-in features as Chargebee, but what it does exceptionally well. Automated billing, revenue recovery, and clean reporting. If you are building a SaaS business that expects to scale quickly and needs detailed revenue tracking and compliance, go with Chargebee. If you want something leaner, simpler, and reliable for fast growth, Recurly will serve you perfectly. Either way, both platforms take the pain out of subscription management so you can focus on building your product and growing your business.